Welcome to the online class. Today this video is specially for the children and the mother. I would request the mummies and children to see the video only. So as we know, Father's Day is coming up, and in order to make our fathers feel special, we are here to make a beautiful card for our dear fathers. So today I am going to show you a simple activity by which we will be able to make a beautiful card for our fathers. So are you all ready? So let me get started. So for this we are required to get some things together. So first is a chart paper or art paper. Then we will require some poster colors, some sketch pens. Okay, so first what we are going to do is we have a chart paper and we will fold it into a half. So this is a half of the paper folded. So mommies, please help your children to do this. Now we will write the message, that is Happy Father's Day. After writing Happy Father's Day, we will want to do something inside as well. So here's a message for our fathers. So it is #1dad. So after writing this, we will get back to our activity. Why we have written everything earlier? Because we are going to use the paints. So once we work with the paints, unless it dries up, we will not be able to write it. So we will write the messages first and then proceed with the activity. Activity that we are going to do is thumb painting. So for this we are using thumb and our index finger. So first we are going to dip the index finger in the color red, and then we will put a point over there. Okay, after this we are going to use the thumb. So we'll dip the thumb in yellow color, and then with the thumb impression we are going to create a beautiful flower. Yes, so our first flower is done. The next flower we will use the opposite colors, like we'll dip the index finger in the yellow color and we'll put a point, and then we will use the thumb and dip it into the red color to make the petals of the flower. Yes, slowly we will make the flower. Next also we will do the same thing on the other side as well. So we can use other colors also. We have blue here, so let's dip our index finger into the blue color, and there you go, we have the point where we are going to make the petals of the flower. Thumb again and we'll put it over there slowly. There's a place for another flower as well, so we'll make another one. So let your child decide which color he or she wants to use. So they can use whatever color they want. So here I have given a basic idea of how you can make the card. You can use this and you can use the thumb and the index finger. Here's the basic design of our Father's Day card. You can use your more ideas and innovations in decorating the card more, and you would require to record a video of your child doing the activity, as well as you can take some pictures while they present the card to their fathers and send it to us. Thank you.